opposition leaders are on a retreat to select a presidential candidate, or at least to choose a formula of how they will find a presidential candidate to represent the united opposition, alafu wewe okweroka ganaye supporter ya Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i nganayo mojumbe bono ocholire n'abantu gotanga naye richu malite na Matiang'i, that you choose that day gotobekera chi opinion polls gotoro kibuna Matiang'i atatanga ini ase opinion polls endo kore kindo moke ichingru sendo mona chama goro sendo mo sabotage. Why would you choose that kind of a day as the day ogotobekera chi opinion polls ase Matiang'i atatanga ini? Opinion polls in perception, siasa in perception. Some of these opinion polls are fake. Most of them are just fake. They are not real. For perception purposes, siasa. So now you're bringing opinion polls as presidential flag bearer. Presidential flag bearer. Umete na inu mwa manyandi mo kole bintu bantu mo gotiri go yekeraba gani baro ekeraba ni bagero noroko bo mwana omobe ekoro muyali tukeli. Try and behave accordingly. Nane bwatera ini erega. Please boni gantu tageti loyalty ngabonore kabere ntomete go so yellow or red. Tupe musimamo ngogo support for president. Igento ke limo bwate moina li kurugulinda mwananchi simogo support sifuna for president. Gose moina ole ase Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i for president. To musimamo tago tebanga umete bono tole moina li ine tomoege ine tustomolete moina. Moko motangani as opinion polls mwamanya gotobekera ga was Facebook confuse our supporters. Oziko baito moyo nga Matiang'i mwan tabwa atinguru. In the opposition, I don't care about opinion polls. That's total rubbish. In Chivintebi, I don't know them. In the opposition, the only person who has a developmental record ara so kili podcast yate venga chenye nimefanya ni A, B, C, D is Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i peke yake. He's the only one with a record of performance that is excellent, where a Kenyan can say, apart from trusting a promise that this leader will do something, I have a record that they did something that was transformational, and therefore by nature na kuzaliwa, they must be transformational people. Therefore I can trust the promise that they are giving me. Mwagulege songe kibuna nayo kwa nege songo ngo chiko kwa na parliament ya bangabe na bajumbe, you don't talk in parliament. Ege songo na kiki ngo chiko kwa na uru. Ikobo nane moto nilio boba nane moka kanga singe njutora aspirant ntobu ati nguru nini. No, don't even lie to yourself one day. Tafadhali toskane wogo chako ko sabotage Dr. Fred Matiang'i nkogosa na tuli nane bono nkoro mando omonto nje nkoro mando omonto maitentu erense bono tokogenda raiga igo siko omonto kaki omo president gestu amwire como sapo pakanje na atigire kirona yako na achire kobole bojumbe tomobwate sitwezi please tago tirigoya na anta unya como bully na unya como blackmail ngotangete direct ticket wono kwe minchande njibono kwe nandinda munenchi ngende bono ko support muntu mungu njibono kwangire kongeda ngogo kwe direct ticket who told kwani ulizaliwa nayo yao oiboire nero onyenche moratinda saba direct ticket nje na atebete ngangaki Naomi toka UDA kuja Jubilee tushindane nominations karu UDA aseruto inchu Jubilee gaiga onye nomi ngese ticket yote ya Jubilee come over toti torane ngali go kombua alhamdulillah lakini yo kombwera ngai kurusi kura kwa Rusi ai tafadhali abacholire na abatacholire umuntu tobwate president ito Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i nekiama tobwate nekemo Jubilee ebinte ebibinde byonsi they come second ntobwate obosani obuya na other leaders of the opposition muna bono linda mwananchi na abande we have good friendship, we want to work together. Lakini interest ya ito number 1 okurasukumo omwana ito kwanza ara aba top at the top tomanya kolengerera omwana ondo tararagira nera aragira after omwana ito nero twamubekira mesa igo tafadhali mobe sikuchaka nyakolete cheche iyo konyakolete bi opinion policy bitakataka munye gotobekera gase Facebook monge chigo nande nkolikyo monto moro mentu erense nande mugusimba mombe kere kinamba